Okay, we're back. I fixed my keyboard, my fucking... There we go. Okay. Where were we again? I was trying to set up, like, harvesting and whatnot. Okay, so I want to say that if I can't harvest... Or no. Now I can check if, I can check if... Yeah, we're back now. Thank God. But I can check if the entity is a bush or not. That's what I wanted to set up. So if you can harvest, then we harvest and we move north. And then we want to say... No. Before we move north, I wanted to do a plant entities dot bush. Okay, and now, so then, when we can't harvest, we're going to check if entities... Okay, so I guess I can just do dot bush equals entities, and we want to make that an uppercase bush dot bush. So then if this is true, we wait? Yeah, I can't wait right now. So just move north until we're good. And let's actually do the same thing up here of if entities dot... So if it is a bush... and we can harvest it, then we harvest and we plant, and we don't do the planting. So actually we want to make this a, if it is not a bush, then we harvest and then we plant. And then else, aka it's a bush, we want to say harvest and move north instead. There we go. So let's see how that looks. Didn't think about that. This doesn't make sense, though. Whatever. So then if it's... Wait a minute. When we want to make this not... So, wait, no. No. Okay, we're gonna just do it this way. Okay, so yeah, that isn't running. I thought that might be the case. So in that case, this part doesn't actually make any sense. Oh, am I not actually able to get what we're planting currently? Or what has... Okay. Yeah, I might just be stupid then. That might be the issue. Senses. Ah, I see. Okay. Well, let's see. How much is this again? 20? Okay, let's so fuck all of this, except for the if can harvest. Okay, so for now we're just gonna stockpile on some wood. Until we can expand the plot. Okay, so we want to say move north, move north, move north. So never eat. So we want to go east, then south, then north, then east. Or not, fucking, whatever. So let me think. We have a 9x9. Can I increase the amount of guys that we have harvesting? I can increase its speed. But that's it. Okay. Well, whatever. I don't want to be harvesting bushes right now anyways. So I should be able to... We've unlocked operators. But that's all I can do with them. I can't actually... We haven't unlocked, like... Yeah, okay. Let me think. What can I do with this, then? We haven't unlocked variables. Because it would be nice if I could do a count of 3. Or what if we just north, north, and north, and then after 3... Damn, how am I supposed to do this, then? Yeah, I don't think there's any way I can really do this. So I guess let's just get us the wheat. So variables is going to be carrots. But we can at least get this. Aha! Yeah, so we can get our position and we can get the item. So yeah, we definitely want this one then. Is this a list? Oh, that's actually... Ooh, that's going to be really good. Okay, there we go. We finally got something that's actually worthwhile. So now with our senses... Get position X and get position Y returns the current X and Y. Okay, that's actually good. Number of items returns how many of an item you have. Okay, get entity type and get ground type. Here we go. Actually, does doing a flip do anything? Let me check. Oh, I can make it wait for a second. I see. Okay. So doing a flip is this game's version of a wait. But of course I can't make it flip like 3 times or something. Okay. So in that case, god damn it. We have a 9x9. I can now get its X and Y. So once we reach Y2, so while true, if get position Y equals 2, then we want to move east, move north. And we want to capitalize east and north. Okay. So pretty much, once we get up here, this will evaluate as true. So then we're going to move east, and then we're going to move north, and then we do this again. Or, oh, actually, since we're going to move... Yeah. We're going to move east, and then north, and then it'll go up, east, and then north. And then it'll go up, and then it's going to move east and north, which will put us back over here, I think. And now we want to say if... So after we run this... let's do a if get entity type is underneath the drone. So if get entity type equals entities dot grass. Yes, we want to then harvest, and we want to replace it with entities type bush. Now, if it is a if get entity type equals entities dot bush, we then want to say we want to check if it can harvest. So if it can, then harvest and plant entities dot grass. Else do a flip. Error. Wait, does this not do equals? Oh, I see. There we go. Problem solved. Ah, yeah, that's an issue. It didn't run this part. I forgot to do the move north. So now we want to just move north every time, and nope. Also, actually don't move north right here. Or maybe we do. Because if it can't get it, then we might as well just continue moving, right? Oh no, let's just see how it goes. Ah. I didn't think about that. Okay. So that's an issue. We're going to run it. Now it resets. Okay, so now instead of doing this... Oh, shit. Okay. We don't have functions yet, sadly, so instead, we're going to do this. And we, 1 second. So if I paste this into, nope, fuck you. Paste it into here. And now we want to tab all of this forward twice. Actually, we can probably, click the wrong thing. We want to, what, Alt tab? Nope. Oh, what if I, oh my god. Control tab? I can't untab it. So I have to tab this line by line. That is a pain in my ass. There we go. So now we want to say move east and then move north. And then else paste. And just move north. And that should theoretically work. Why? Oh, wait, no, yeah, that's what I wanted it to do. Cool, we're good. It's kind of disgusting, the fact that's not going to be uniform, but I really don't give a shit. Okay, in the meantime, let's upgrade speed. Okay, yeah, that hasn't fucked anything up yet. We can get carrots. Let's see. Okay, let's get carrots. Water. And then let's increase the yield of grass, I guess. I can't draw. So I've never thought about doing a texture pack mod, because... I mean, if you want, like, a 5-year-old's drawings for your texture pack, I could do that, but nah. I code. That's all I'm good for. I can't really do art. Okay, let's stop it real fast, and all I'm gonna do is get rid of all of this. So it's just this. Because I just want to reset it all to being grass. Ah, fuck. Okay. There we go. Okay, then. There we go. All right, back to the top, and now I do this, and we can now go and start planting carrots. So for carrots, I guess I could have just kept my code, but whatever. So next thing that I want to work towards is this one. So let's just do only carrots. How long do carrots last is the question. Or how long... Oh, I have to... Oh, you have to till the soil. Simply use till. Okay. So let me check if... Get ground type. And then we want to say grounds dot soil. Or no, we just want to say this, and then equals grounds dot soil. So if this is true, then we just plant carrots. Entities dot carrots. Yeah. And then, well, first we harvest, so we want to check if can harvest. Then we harvest. And we plant. Else yeah. Okay. Move north. Then we also want to do a check to see if get position y equals 2. So if it equals to oh, you know what I could do? I have an idea now. Harvest, plant the carrots, and then when we go to the move step, we now do a check to see if get position y equals 2. And then if it equals 2, we say move east, move north. Else, we only move north. And that will make the code run faster. And now we also want to say that else till and plant entities dot carrot. Okay, that should work. I fucked up again. I'm kind of stupid. This is gonna be really slow at the start. I didn't think that through. This is fine. Oh, we're getting hay from it, actually. Or wait, no, are we losing hay? Oh shit, I think we're losing hay. Oh, fuck me. Do we lose hay for every single carrot? We lose wood and hay for every single carrot. Oh, god damn it. When do I unlock functions? 40 carrots. Okay, we're getting functions. Give me function... I have to unlock the previous one. Okay, fine. We're gonna unlock this, and then we're gonna go for functions. Please. Let's see, when do I get other things? I can import things from other files. When do I get other files? Oh, simulate, set speed, get time. Oh, that's actually pretty neat. Get cost? Oh! Okay, that's actually fucking cool as shit. Okay. And let's just harvest it. There we go. Okay, so now let's make some functions. So we're going to define plant underscore caret. And so first we must check if get ground type equals grounds dot soil, or let's say if it doesn't. So if it doesn't, then fuck you. Then we say to till. Else plant entities dot caret. Okay, that's our first defined thingy. Also, this is just weirdly placed. It should be over here. Okay, so now the next one will be define plant. I guess grass is what we'll call it. Oh, whoops, plant grass. And we don't need to do any ifs. We just say plant entities dot grass. And I guess actually we don't really need to do this. So let me think about this. What other... Because I want to do a cycle. So we do carrots, then we do hay, then we do grass. Or not grass, wood. So bush. So yeah, we do... So I want it to be grass, bush, carrot. You know, I kind of want to go in that sort of a loop. And we unlocked variables, so that's actually goated. So we should be able to just do a... And let me actually check variables now. How do I have to do anything such as, nope. Okay, I don't have to do like var at the beginning, so it's just like Python. So harvest loop equals 0. Oh, actually we want to set this variable at the top. Is it 2 or 1? Oh, wrong thing. That's census. I wanted to go to operators. So when it comes to and, oh, okay, it's typed out. Okay. So if both of these are true, then we just say, oh, I forgot to do harvest. Okay, we're going to add that in a second. But for now, we want to say, so then when this happens... let me think, actually. So... Yeah, this is fine. So we plant grass, then we plant bush, and then obviously we want to change all of this to plant underscore carrot. Plant underscore carrot. And we want to say right here, so once we reach this, let me think. So we plant the carrots. Okay, we gotta rewrite this. I fucked it up. Okay, let's make a new thing. Check harvest. Can I return? I can. Okay, cool. I don't know if that's going to be net. Yes, it will. Okay, yeah. So we want to return true or false. So we're going to check the harvest. And so if it's harvestable... Oh my god, dude. Okay. I think we keep the plant carrot because that's going to simplify things. So let me think about this. We plant the grass. So we plant it, and then we go back through to harvest it, is the thing. So we want to do 2 loops. One of planting, and then the other of harvesting. And then as soon as we... So you know what? I have an idea here. How do I want to do this? Let's just write stuff for now, and then I'll put it inside of functions and shit. Okay, so let's create a variable called harvest loop. And harvest loop will say that we start with grass. So we're going to have a variable called loop count, which equals 0. So we start by doing a can harvest. So if I can harvest, now that I think about it, this is stupid. We don't need that. So if can harvest, then we start by harvesting. Or no. We want to do a get entity type. If get entity type equals entities dot grass, we harvest and we plant entities dot bush, and then we move yeah, I guess we don't really need that, actually. We just need to say else move north. Then we run check position, and then else harvest plant. Oh, actually we want to harvest and till. So plant entities dot grass and check position. So let me think about this. Do we have to clear it, actually? 1 second.